Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Oracle Love Light. So we are just gonna hop right on into this. You know, this is what I eat in a day. You can tell by the title. So I am just gonna be warming me up some egg bites for breakfast. And if you wondering how to make these, I will link the video below, which is I think the video before this one. I'm just gonna, of course, make my cucumber water with it. I popped these in the microwave for about 45 minutes, and I just wanted to show you what it looks like in the inside. These are so good. I highly recommend these. And as you can see, it's 2 net carbs, 465 calories. They're so good. If you watch my video before, you'll see the breakdown of the carbs and calories. Today, I'm going to be making for lunch and dinner something a little different that I have never made before. I'm going to be roasting this cabbage. I had a small head of, this was a little baby cabbage. I had a small head of cabbage that I'm just going to put some avocado oil on, some paprika, and some garlic powder, and a little bit of salt. We're going to do this on both sides. Pop this in the oven on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. And then I'm going to, well, for me, I put it for about 20 minutes because I like mine a little bit more softer. But if you like yours like a little bit firm, do 15 minutes on each side. I did a little bit 20 to 25 minutes. Once you put it in there, on one side for 20 minutes, flip it over, and then put it on there another 20 minutes. Go ahead and get into it, and I'll come back when it's done. And I'll show you the topping that we are going to make to go on top of this cabbage. All right, go ahead, y'all. Go ahead and get into it.
It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be with someone special. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies there, kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. I like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you, darling, you.
All right, so for our topping, we are going to go ahead and go in with some shrimp and mushroom. Now, I will say, you guys, I forgot to put my mushrooms in here. I had to put them in the pan separately. Don't worry, I was not leaving those out. We need these mushrooms around here. I'm just going to season it with Cajun seasoning, Italian seasoning, and then we're going to put about a tablespoon of butter in it with garlic. So I chopped up about maybe 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to chop it up big so I can taste like the roasted garlic in it. Y'all know how I feel about garlic. Y'all know I am obsessed with it. Garlic is life around here. Anyway, go ahead and get into this, and then I will come back.
Dreaming away in the waiting every holiday till the day I can say I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh
Alright, y'all, so remember I said I forgot to put my mushrooms. So here is where you see me just chopping the mushrooms, and I'm going to put them in the same pan with some garlic and butter as well. I'm going to season it the same with just Italian seasoning and Cajun seasoning. Y'all, it smells so good in this house. It smells like I got a little restaurant up in here. It smells so good. So now we are going to plate this, and then we are going to check on our cabbage. We're going to take them out, and I'll show you what they look like. So here is what they look like. We are just going to flip them over, and then I'm going to add a little bit more paprika and a little bit more salt. Well, the same seasonings that I put on the front side, I'm going to add it to the back. And then we're going to cook them for another 15 to 20 minutes. As I mentioned, I cooked mine for about 25 minutes. And then we are going to plate this. This was so good. This was my first time eating cabbage like this, and I really, really, really enjoyed this. Oh my God, this was so good. And I only ate like one of these cabbage steaks. Like I sliced it and I put a couple little pieces around it. You'll see when I plate it. It was so good, so low carb, so filling. It's like, all right, look, we are out here winning today. We winning today. We are winning today for sure. Like we win every day, but today we really doing it. We doing good out here, y'all. Now, I did end up putting Italian seasoning on top of the cabbage too. Don't ask me why. I just wanted more flavor and more flavor and more flavor. So I'm going to pop this back on in the oven, and then voila. Look at this, y'all. Let's plate this. Alright, you guys, so now it is time for dessert. We are just going to be making us a peanut butter keto mug cake, and I will link the video down for how to make this mug cake below. I will say I did not like using this sweetener. I'm used to using Swerve sweetener, brown sweetener, or the monk fruit sweetener, and I did not have any more, so I found this in the back of my cabinet. I don't like this one. I don't like that one. I mean, it was okay, but I can kind of taste like the texture was different for me. Like normally the smaller, I guess, granulated, is that how you say it? Granulated? Granulated sweetener makes it like a little bit more smoother. But this one was, the cake was good. I just can taste the difference because I'm used to using a different sweetener. Let me say that before I start rambling my life away and we be here all night. Let me just say that. Anyway, I am going to write the ingredients down below for this cake, and I'm also going to link a video of me making this cake. The key to making this cake taste really good is to add a little bit of extra butter, but also to beat the crap out of this egg. I mean, beat this egg until this egg can't be beat no more, because if you don't, your cake will taste just like egg. I hate tasting egg in these mug cakes, so I've learned to like really beat this egg. That's why I speeded it up so you wouldn't have to see me beating this egg for about a half an hour. I was beating the crap out of the egg. I did not want it to taste like egg, and it worked because it didn't taste like egg. So go ahead and get back into it, and I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. One tip I want to say don't forget to do is to grease your ramekin. That way your cake does not stick to it. You can either spread. I normally just use a little bit of butter and put it all around it so it could just slide right on out. All right, y'all. All right, that's enough. I keep interrupting y'all. I keep talking to y'all. I know y'all just want to watch the video and enjoy it. Go ahead. I mean, we almost done. We getting to the end, but should I keep talking to it? No, I'm not. Go ahead, y'all. See, look. Oh my gosh. Now, wait. One more thing. We do know with mug cakes, we just pop them things in the microwave for 90 seconds. So I will say you are going to use about a teaspoon to half a tablespoon of no sugar creamy peanut butter. Make sure your peanut butter don't have sugar in it because that is going to up the carbs in it. But if it don't have sugar in it, you be good. So melt it a little bit. I had a sweet tooth. I was ready to eat this thing. When I say I iced this cake with this peanut butter so horribly, I took my finger and was just going around it because I didn't feel like putting it back in the microwave, which I should have microwaved it long and just kind of drizzled on it. You'll see in the video that I linked below how I did that. And I also made like a lava cake. Oh my gosh. I am really rambling. All right. That's enough. Go ahead and finish watching the video because we are almost done. So I just want to note that I only ate half of this cake and one of my girls ate the other half. But I just wanted to show you how moist this is. Look at this. It's so moist. This cake is so delicious. That's why one of them always eat this chocolate one with me. All right, you guys. So today was 1,315 calories and it was 20 net carbs. That is going to be the end of this video, you guys. Those who are new here, please consider subscribing. You stayed this long, come on, you might as well hang out with us and subscribe and like and comment. It will really help my channel out. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for sharing this space with me, and as always, I thank you for watching.